gonna sit down. Ooh. I feel like I'm on Snick. Was that already said? It's Saturday night, right? That's fair, right? Yeah, this is all that and a bag of potato chips. Anyway, we've got something fun for you guys coming up. We actually have Seth, who was our third place loser from the Destroyer Challenge earlier, and he is currently wearing 10 Wesley Crusher sweaters. The Cosby sweater, you know what I'm talking about? Now, this is his punishment for not eating the entirety of the Destroyer. He's been out there for a few minutes. He's actually probably overheating pretty drastically at the moment. So we're gonna get him out here in just a few moments. This is his punishment. So if you guys would please give a big round of applause, we're gonna start some music. Helping him out is gonna be Miss Terry Guest and Ivy Daniels. Please give a big round of applause for Seth. Seth, come all the way over here. This is where the sweet spot on the camera is. Come all the way back here. All right, when that music hits, you know what to do. And ladies, if he needs some encouragement, feel free to help him out a little bit.
Yes, Bright Primate is in the house. Are you ready with a midnight chip tune party rock? Let's do this, baby.
When I walk down by, girls be looking like damn fine. I damn see the beat, walking down the street of a new freak, yeah. This is how I roll, and no put that time to trouble. Roll through with the big ass roll, like Bruce Lee, I got me low. Girl, do that body, girl, do that body, girl, do that body. I work out. Girl, do that body, girl, do that body. I work out, and I smile. This is what I see. Everybody stops and they stare at me. I got a passion in my pants and I ain't afraid to show it. I'm sexy and I know it. I'm sexy.
You're halfway there at 5!
When I'm at the mile, security just can't find rounds.
6!
Jumping speed, I'm trying to tan cheeks. This is how I roll. Come on, ladies, it's time to go. Yeah, take a while, like a dummy nose. No shit, no shit.
7!
I'm sexy and I know it. I'm sexy and I know it.
Girl, look at that body.
Gotta take off the sandals. Ladies and gentlemen, Seth! Seth, I want to shake your hand. Thank you. That's very nice. But I want to shake it up here. I feel a little better than shaking it down here, but up here. Oh, I've been much closer. All right. Seth, once again, everybody, please give a round of applause as well.
Yes.
For Ivy Daniels and Miss Terry Guest helping us out from Skill Focus Burlesque. I'm going to pass this back over to Cap. Thank you.
Oh, Channing, thank you. Channing, thank you so much for for making things so sexy in here. All right, guys. This has been one of the weirdest things we've ever done. I don't. We should probably have an exit survey on the way out. How did we do? I guess. Thank you so much for watching this. Thank you so much for being here in this audience. If you like what you saw, like us on the YouTubes and subscribe to this channel and see what else we do. There's probably more Nerdy Show Live in the future. We can work out the kinks of this one. So if you want more videos, just pop over here. There'll be a button in space and time and everything. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Cap.
I'm Hex.
Hi, I'm Brandon.
I'm Chammers.
It's been a fun time crashing with you at Nerdy Show Live. Woo!